माही 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 मैनू चला पावा
It's not Murray. It's Margala Hills.
मनाल। ये अगस्त की महीना है। मान बिल्कुल स्लो
हो जाऊंगा, पता ही नहीं, लाइट मैंने चलाई हुई है
क्योंकि इधर शार्प टर्न्स होते हैं।
तो अगली गाड़ी से पता चल जाएगा लाइट से।
डोंट रिलाई ऑन नेक्स्ट वन।
जब हम जाते हैं हम तकरीबन बहुत बुरे, वो देखो ट्रक है सामने,
गाड़ी है। तेरे तो नज़र का भी मसला है। ये धुंध नहीं है, इसे कहते हैं बादल, बादलों के अंदर है। बादलों के साफ हो गया, ये देख, ये बीच में साफ है, जहाँ पर दरख्त है वहाँ पर साफ है। आज़ाद की हाँ हो गया कई किलोमीटर है।
बना थोड़ी बना बस पता चले।
इसमें से क्लिपें निकाल लूँगा। So guys, we are enjoying in our country Islamabad, which is the capital of Pakistan, and this is Manal. We are for outing with our friends, but many of our friends leave us alone due to rain. And now we are head toward our home after enjoying a lot since morning. Now it's 5 p.m. and this is a summer season. About a few hours ago we feel hot, but now it seems like we are in December and full of cold, and we enjoy a lot. Now every 50 or 100 meter travel change the scenario. As you can see, there is still smoke. Fog and smoke are here in every 100 or 200 meter, but on height there is a lot of smoke and fog. The slow rain is on the road and everyone enjoy it. Some are coming to enjoy now, and many of us is leaving the spot of picnic.
The wonderful sea around the sea. Oh, beautiful. Lights of smoke.
Look at there, you can see the clouds on the mountains. Oh my god. Look at this. The clouds are once again in our way, and there will be a definitely a fog and smoke, and the mountains is hidden in the fog. You can see there's a larger and heavier trees. Look at, and there are sharp turns, so this road is very dangerous as well. There is a sharp turn. If you get a small kind of mistake, you will be in thousands of feet fall. You will have 1,000 feet fall, and there will be some dangerousness. Look at my back. When I was coming to the picnic spot, we can see the depth of Manal. Now the depth is hidden in the fog and clouds. You can see there
Yes, yes.
very beautiful scenes of nature. The natural beautiness is on his peak, and the weather beautiness is also on the peak. So everything is very silent. You can see the trees are silent and enjoy the beautiful weather, and peacefully everything is silent. He is working hard and charging hard as well. There is everything very expensive, about 2x or 3x expensive. A product which is on RS30, you will buy it about 70 to 90 here. Look at the beautiness. Look at the beautiness. I'm very apologize for my English. English due to less practice. Look at the beautiness of the hill and the mountains, the clouds, and the mixture. Yeah. Once again, sorry for my beautiful English and pronunciation.
Thanks for coming.
And thanks for understanding and still watching our video.
Live?
No, I'm not live. This is pre-recorded, but it will be uploaded on my channel because I want to share these beautiful moments with my fans, my subscribers. Actually, they are not my fans. They are fans of Stephen Hauser and other celebrities. But I have engagement with them. So this is my thoughts, and my heart say that I should share these beautiful moments with my subscribers.
Somebody.
Everyone is here to enjoy the beautiful nature. The weather is normally a beautiful weather here. Look at the valley. Driver to stop a little while. He's my friend actually, but now he's driving motorcycle, so I request him kindly make a small stop. I want to share this beautiful valley with my subscribers. Kind. I'm repeating. Yes, we are in the Manal. This is the hotel and the restaurant of Manal. There is a host of people, a bundle of people. Look at the mountains, bright, dark, bright, and normal. There are many monkeys are in the forest as well. They move freely, and soon we will able to show them with my beautiful subscribers. This part is also very beautiful. Both sides are very beautiful, but we are in a little hurry, so that is why we can't apply brake and take a little stop. The monkeys are disappeared because of rain. When we were coming to there was a lot of monkeys on the road. We are on the bike, you can see, and 100% enjoyment of the rain. You can't enjoy the rain in the car, in the summer especially. In winter you must be in a car or something hot area, but when you are in summer you must enjoy the rain on motorcycle or a bicycle. Look at the mountains. Let me show you. There is a sharp turn. Thank God there is no smoke, so we take this sharp turn easily. But still there are a lot of accidents throughout every month, every day even.
Cyclist going up and up with some brakes.
Look at this. There are accidents happening. Must be an accident happened. And so you can also observe that how dangerous this road is. There are many accidents happening throughout a day, and you can see that there are sharp turns, very sharp turns. If your bike, motorcycle or a car have any kind of problem or any kind of failure, you will be in danger. To show this beautiful view, my beautiful fans, kindly take a step. Anyway, I request you once again, look at stop somewhere where the look of Islamabad is visible for us. I share this video with my fans without any cut. Look at this. Oh, we have a failure and we just save. You can see that there are many accidents happening, and we also see a small kind of accident and we just save. Please take a break for just 1 minute or 30 seconds. Give me there. Find some nice area. I think. Okay, let's move. Let's find a beautiful area. And you can see how dangerous is this road. In rain, this is dangerous 2x time more than normal. Faisal Mosque. Okay.
बड़ा गंदा सी ब्रेक भी मारिया ना मैं
Stop there. This is a beautiful area and safe at the same time.
Okay, I think
We should go there. I know this is not allowed, but you should go. Here. You can see there is a sunlight. There is a sunlight, and here is a rain. This is Faisal Mosque, one of the popular mosque in Islamabad, Pakistan. So that's it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.